How do you waterproof your basement against the raging water?
Simple. You are now face to face with your opponent, the unstoppable force of water. Speed and agility are your tools as you strike the wall with pinpoint precision. Hit it where it hurts, breach its defense, and if you notice it wavering, if the water is losing its grip, then it's time to soak it mercilessly. Wipe away every trace of its cunning matter, but stay alert, don't give it a chance to retaliate. Then grab the Sika Waterproof Quick Seal, your loyal ally in this battle. Start at the bottom and gradually work your way upwards symmetrically. This is a strategic attack that must be perfect. Put on your gloves, protect yourself from the corrosive acids in the cement. Grab a handful of dry cement, toss it into the bucket and add water. But be quick because time is a luxury you do not have. It dries as you look. Knead the cement until it transforms into a hand grenade of resistance. Feel the heat it starts to radiate. With a quick motion, pull out the safety pin and press it firmly against the gap. Your life depends on it. Press it with everything you have. Repeat the steps, each time with the same determination. Stay focused, hit it hard, and finish with a devastating low kick. You feel the opponent weakening. It's time for the final blow. Spread it thickly, ensuring every inch is sealed. You have now mastered the art of waterproofing your basement. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Together we keep water where it belongs.